Today, I'm going to show you a complete beginner's guide of Plod. I'm going to show you some of my favorite tips, tricks, and hidden features allowing you to leave this video as a Plod expert. Let's get started. On the front of the packaging here, you've got an image of the device itself. It's got the Plod note pen attached to the button-up shirt. On the back, you can see that you can wear it as a wristband, a clip, or a lanyard, and then you've got some tech spec information. And then on the side, it just says Plod. So let's go ahead and get out our handy dandy knife here and open up this package for the first time. So we can just go ahead and cut open the plastic wrap that's on the side, and then we can put our knife away. And now we've got a seal here ripped open. And we can take the plastic shrink wrap off, just like that. So here we've got the box itself, and on the top here, it's got a pull tab. You'll want to go ahead and pull that, just like that. And now you can go ahead and open up your Plod notebook or note pen bundle packaging. So we'll go ahead and rip it out. We've got a few boxes in here. So let's go ahead and see what we have. We've got the Plod note pen, your wearable AI memory capsule, and then the accessory kit. So we'll go ahead and put that box on the floor there. And now we've got two boxes. Let's dive into this one first, the note pen accessory kit. So it doesn't look like there's anything sealing this box off, so we should just be able to open it up. Let's see if we can get our fingers in here. There we go. So we can go ahead and open this box up, and we've got our three methods of securing the note pen. You can secure it as a bracelet, you can wear it as a pin, or you can have it as a necklace. So multiple avenues here. You just pull out each one. I'm not sure which method that I like yet. I'm gonna have to try out all of them before I can get a sense of which one I like the most. So it looks like you can attach it there. So interesting that they've got three different methods rather than making it one. So this is probably the most versatile method that you could think of because there are three options. So that's in the first box. We can go ahead and take a look at what is in the second box, which should be our... All right, we can go ahead and wiggle out the box, and there we have it. We've got the Plod note pen. We can just go ahead. Wow, there's a magnet inside the box holding it. That is impressive. We've got the charger, but a magnet is embedded inside the box. You can hear it snap in there. That was really cool to watch. So that's all that's in that box there. We've got our charging cable, as you can see, and it looks like it plugs up through USB-C, and then this Plod note pen attaches to the white charger. So we've got some wrapping on top of it. Let's see what it says here. We can take off the magnetic clip here, and then we can undo the wrapping. So there's multiple, there's wrapping all around here. And I would say you can just slide it out, or let's see, yeah, you just slide it out just like that. And now we've got the Plod pen. So if we're going to charge it, we would magnetically attach it to the charger and then unplug our USB-C or unrip the paper off of these. And this is a nice braided cable too. This is one of the nicest USB-C cables I've ever seen. So this is how you charge your note pen. You plug up your USB-C. One goes into the wall or the outlet or the computer, and then the other end goes into the charging pad right here, and then it magnetically attaches just like that to charge your note pen. Super cool. So I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff to the side, and then we'll take a look at setting up this device for the first time. Alright, so I've got my Plod here. I'm just going to go ahead and slide it into the bracelet component here. So you just push it in just like that, and it snaps in. Alright, so I've decided to go ahead and pair this while it's on my wrist. I've gone ahead and inserted the Plod inside the strap and then connected it. And the really cool part about this connection is it's magnetic. So you just insert it onto your wrist, and it snaps onto the bracelet magnetically. So we'll see how this method works here. I can tighten it up if I want to, and then of course it will magnetically snap on just like that. All right, so they did include a few guides here. You can magnetically attach it to your shirt. You can adjust the clip on your necklace to attach it to. You can use the clip right here to pin it onto your shirt, or to attach it to your shirt, I should say. And then the fourth way that we've decided to attach it to the bracelet and wear it. So really cool setup instructions that they've got here. They also come with a quick start guide that lets you know what to do and how to get started here. But I'm going to show you everything you need to know. And next up, we're going to need to go ahead and install the Plod application, which you can scan with this QR code, or you can search for it in your app store. All right, so here I have it, the Plod AI voice recorder app. You'll need to download this in your app store. Whether you're on the Play Store or the App Store, you'll go in and you'll search for Plod, or you can, of course, use the camera and then scan the QR code that is on the, oh no, phone restarted. You can scan the QR code that's on the sheet here. We can try this one more time. We scan QR code and we'll see it'll open up the link just like that. We'll authorize with Face ID and then we're good to go. So the second time there works perfectly. So it is downloading the app in the background here, but we can see what it looks like. We can see the original Plod recording device. You can transcribe, get professional summaries, smart templates, export options, and have a web in-app version. So it's pretty powerful. And it'll be installed on our phone within 10 seconds here, and we'll be able to take a look at the Plod AI voice recorder and to pair this to our brand new Plod device that we have right here, which is super exciting. So now you can charge it. It's got an indicator light on it. We can take a look at what else we can start. Press and hold for 1 vibration to start it. Press and hold 2 vibrations to end it. And there's an indicator light. Ready to connect is white, recording is red, low battery flashing is purple, fully charged is green, and out of storage is yellow. And then we showed you how to charge it earlier, and then they've got the instructions in other languages. So pretty simple in order to get started here with the Plod app. So let's go ahead and open up this app for the first time. We'll probably need to log into our Plod account. I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google. Continue, and then I'm going to authorize off camera here with my Google account. We've recently launched a brand new AppFind store at appfind.store, and you can get access to some incredible products for your Apple devices. And we're going to take a minute to take a look at all of these incredible products. Starting off with the AirPods case. You carry around your AirPods 2 all the time, and you can use this lovely case here to protect it and to add some style and color to it. So we can go ahead and open it up here and put it on our AirPods just like this. So it comes open and we can pull it out, and it's into 2 pieces here. So you've got the top piece, which covers the top part of the AirPods. You just slide it over like that, and it covers it just like that. Now, I put it on backwards. I'm going to flip it around. There we go. So that way, you can still have the hinge open up just like that. And now we've got the bottom piece. And the best part about this case is it lets you see the color LED light. So when you charge it or when you turn it on, the light comes on right there, and it lets you see without covering it up, so you can see the charging status or the pairing status just like that. And of course it comes with this little ring here that you can connect to your keychain or other devices. So there you go. That is the AirPods case for AppFind, a really cool product that you can now get using the AppFind store. You can scroll down below, or you can go to appfind.store and get it today. Next up, we've got 2 variations of an Apple Watch band. And if you've got an Apple Watch out there, you can get a stylish band here. I can go ahead and open up the band there. I'll go ahead and open up the second one here. So it's got a nice little component here. You pull it open and you pull it down. And we've got 2 brand new bands that are now available in the AppFind store for your Apple Watch. So you can bring your Apple Watch into play here, and all you have to do is disconnect them here and start. You've got them both kind of tied together in a way. So you can disconnect them both and then undo the band. And now we've got each Apple Watch band just like that. And now we can slide them on. So you may be wondering, how do you slide on an Apple Watch band? All you have to do is just slide it from the corner and slide it in. And just like that, we've slid in an Apple Watch band. Then we can take the other end and we can slide that in. And now we've got this brand new Apple Watch band attached to our Apple Watch. And here's another version of what it looks like. So you've got eye-popping colors here for your Apple Watch, your AirPods case, and then even better, we have them for the iPhone. So here we've got various cases for the iPhone. You've got the clear case, we've got a white case, a black case, and then even this blue, navy blue case color here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And the best part about this blue MagSafe case is the fact that it wirelessly charges using MagSafe. So I can go ahead and pull the case out. I can bring in my iPhone and I can go ahead and pop the iPhone in just like that. And now we've got our case protected. It's got a cutout here for our power button and a cutout for the volume up, volume down, and the action button. So if you're still rocking an iPhone 15 and not upgrading this year, you can go ahead and get this case now. And keep an eye on the AppFind store for the iPhone 16 cases that have the cutout button for the camera control. So that is the case, and you can see here we've got several other case designs. We can go ahead and open those up one by one and check them out. So we've got a MagSafe one, 15. This is really cool, a black case here. We've got a white case. So we can go ahead and open this up. We've got all kinds of colors, so you can check it out on the appfind.store and pick whichever color you like best. And here we've got a clear one. So I'll go ahead and open up the clear one for you. Clear one, you can see right through it there. And there we go. So those are the case options we have for iPhone. We've got this white one, we've got a clear one, we've got the black one, and then this blue one here. So that's an overview of all of our brand new products at the AppFind store. You can get the Apple Watch band, the AirPods case, or the iPhone case at appfind.store today, and it's really going to be awesome. You'll be able to set it up on your new device and be protected and have a stylish way. So these are all the new products that we have from the AppFind store, and we hope you enjoy them as much as we do. Here's a quick look at the AppFind store. You go to appfind.store and you can use the promo code AppFind to get 15% off your order. You can see all of the products we just checked out, and you can purchase whichever ones you like the most. And don't forget to use that promo code AppFind for 15% off your order. And log into Plod just like this. So we'll be able to log in. And now it says welcome. Welcome to Plod. So it's got the newest accessory, the Note Pen here, and the original Plod note recorder. And now we'll go ahead and connect our device. It's going to ask us to connect to our Bluetooth settings. We will hit allow. And that way it can connect to this through Bluetooth and wirelessly talk to it. So let's go ahead and hit connect now. So it remembers our previous Plod conversations that we have. If we were a previous user here, we can go ahead and press the connect button in the top left of this. We press this once and then we select which one we have. We've got the Plod Note Pen. So we're going to press this gray connect button, connect now. We'll press that once, and now it lets us know that we can go ahead and connect to it. So it's already detected it just like that. It instantly connected to it. I'll go ahead and press the black connect button to connect to it. And now it says congrats. Big news, your Note Pen just got better. Let's go ahead and learn more. You've got better recording control. So enhanced touch sensitivity prevents unintended recordings in everyday use. It's got Find My. You can locate your Note Pen anywhere using Apple's Find My app, and you can transfer to PPC directly. Connect to Wi-Fi once, and Note Pen will seamlessly transfer your recordings to the Plod Private Cloud while charging. And then we can go ahead and it wants us to do an update in order to get there. So let's go ahead and press this black update now button and firmware update for Plod NoPen. To facilitate the firmware update for Plod NoPen, please ensure the following. It's not in recording mode and Plod NoPen is charging. Okay, so we would have to plug this up to our charger, and the charger's not nearby, so I'll go ahead and hit the X out of that. Let's take a look at what else we can do with our Plod NoPen. So we'll go ahead and view the benefits. Right now we got the starter plan with 300 minutes of transcription a month, professional and industry specific templates, autopilot for auto summarized template, distinguish different speakers with speaker labels, trim audio effortlessly to retain only the essentials, and import audios to Plod app or web for seamless transcription and summary. We'll go ahead and press the black get started button. And now our NoPen is connected. We can tap on it in the top left there. It shows the battery life, and it's got the name, the serial number, the storage, firmware, all the details that we need in order to see all the settings for it. And just like this, we can come over here and press the plus button and hit start recording. And now this is starting a recording locally on our phone that we have right here. It's recording my voice, and say this was a lecture. We can come over here, we can see the battery life of our Plod. We can go ahead and save this, but I'm just going to give it 5 tips of creating successful videos. 1, have great lighting. 2, be sure to use sound effects. 3, use great templates that make your editing life easier. 4, always have the latest software. 5, maybe even use something like the new Instagram Edits app. That's not available, but that's just a random tip that I'm giving. Like, stay on top of those trends. Alright, so I've recorded some information. I'm going to go ahead and press save, and then it's going to save this to our library right here. So now I can tap on this note, and we can see here, I can go ahead and generate a summary of it. We can use the autopilot structure, the meeting notes, the consulting, class, or key points. I'm going to tap key points, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit generate now. So I gave it some tips on recording videos properly, and now you can have it record your conversation, and then you can press that generate button, and it will give you an incredible new platform right here to learn more about what you were recording. So we've got video creation tips, lighting, sound effects, and templates. This recording discusses tips for creating successful videos, emphasizing the importance of great lighting, using sound effects, utilizing templates for easier editing, keeping software updated, and staying on top of new trends like new editing apps. So really cool that it summarized that here in the bullet points. I can hit this summary, this black button right here, and that's the summary mode that we're on. We can go over to transcript, and now this is the transcript of everything that was said in that recording. I can go over here and get an overview of everything that was done here. You'll have to hit this analyze button, and of course we'll need to upgrade to the pro plan to get an AI powered overview. And then you can get a mind map. This is a really cool feature. It maps out all the different features of topics and conversations that were in this recording. So you can play it at any time. You can use these buttons right here to fast forward 15 seconds or go back 15 seconds. You can speed up the conversation all the way to 2x. You can use AI speech enhancement to better hear what they're saying. So really cool. And then you can also come over here and edit it. You can use Smart Clip, you can trim it, you can delete it. So really cool software that they've embedded right here inside of the Plod NoPen application. Then of course, you will come in here and record all of your conversations and use their AI smarts to better facilitate what it looks like. So a really cool app that they've created right here. Today we're going to be checking out Surfshark for our lovely promotion where you can get an incredible VPN for about $2.19 for their 24-month promotion. I'm going to go ahead and download this onto our phone and show you the setup process, but you can use the QR code on screen to take advantage of this deal and get access to Surfshark's virtual private network. You can secure your online browsing. It uses protection and hides your IP address, and you can get all kinds of great features to make sure that you stay secure when you're using the internet. and you go to appfind.org/surfshark or use the QR code on screen to take advantage of the deal that we have, the promotion that allows you to get Surfshark for 24 months at just $2.19. So let's go ahead. This app is almost downloaded, and I'll show you what it's like to set it up on your brand new iPhone. So this is definitely one of the first things I do when I get my new iPhone. I log in, I set up my virtual private network so I stay secure, whether I'm browsing at home on Wi-Fi or whether I'm on the go on someone else's Wi-Fi network or on 5G. When I have Surfshark enabled, I'm safe and it's fast and it's reliable. So I'm going to go ahead and open this application up. After you've clicked the link in the chat or in the description below, the Surfshark, the appfind.org/surfshark, or you scan the QR code on the screen and sign up, you'll be able to download the app onto your phone. And then here it's got two options: to create an account or log in. You would have most likely already created an account when you've redeemed the promotion on the QR code or on the link in the description. So you would hit the login button and it asks you to continue with Google, Apple, or your username and password that you set up originally. After you have successfully logged in, this is what it will look like on your screen on your brand new iPhone 16. Now you may be wondering, what do you do? So what it's recommending is you to connect to a virtual private network in a certain location. Now your IP address can be from almost anywhere around the world that they have service. You can scroll down and it looks like I tapped on one. I tapped on one, and it instantly opens it up and tells me more about that. So I highly recommend picking something that's local or nearby, because what will happen is when you're using your virtual private network, websites will kind of detect your location, and if it detects that you're very far away from where you actually live, sometimes it may not let you log in, or it may block you because you wouldn't want someone logging into your account that's not actually you. So sometimes it can be very challenging to get around certain things like that. One of my favorite features is the multi-hop. This way you can have secure connections from multiple directions, and I can scroll down, I can select something like we've got United States and Canada, United States, New York, and Canada, Toronto. We can tap on the multi-hop and it will need permission in order for us to get started with the VPN. So let's go ahead and authorize the Surfshark and get permission. We'll hit the continue button at the very bottom, and now it's going to ask us, Surfshark would like to add VPN configurations. Since we do want our VPN to be connected, we'll press this allow button right here, and then it will take us to our settings where we'll have to enter our passcode. So I'm going to enter our passcode off camera here just to stay secure, and then it will take us back to the app and it will start connecting. And I'm going to hide my IP address at the top right here, but this is what it looks like. In the top right, your IP address pops up, and then it says connected and safe, and then it shows you your connection time. And then at the very bottom, you can see in the bottom left here, you've got the country that you're connected with, US, New York, and then you've got it via Toronto, Canada. So then you can press disconnect at the very bottom. You can pause it on the right. I'm going to swipe down so my IP address goes away. So you can always disconnect at the very bottom. You can pause it right here, or you can scroll and search for another location that you want. So you've got multiple locations here at the top, and you can select whichever location that you want to connect through to keep your data secure. So this is Surfshark, and it's our lovely promotion that we've got going on right now. You can scan the code on the screen, or you can go to appfind.org/surfshark to take advantage of our incredible offer. And I hope you enjoyed the virtual private network and it keeps you secure. This is one of my favorite products that I use every single day to stay secure on the internet. They've got a welcome that you can come through and see more about the NotePen and all the different software and what AI services they offer, the intelligent editing, the recording and transcription, summary templates. You can ask AI. You've got the Plod private cloud where you can upload data, and their future blueprint. So really cool that you can have all of this incredible technology with the Plod AI, and all you have to do is just come in here and start a recording, and it activates that. So you can see your status light right here. You've got the microphone. If we were to take this off, we can see in more detail about how this was created. So we can tap it once and it starts recording. So since I took this out and I tapped it at the top, we've got our status light there. So it's recording, and I'm giving a tour of what the Plod NotePen looks like. So now that it is recording, it's capturing all of my thoughts, and I can go ahead and press it again and it will stop recording, and then this light will no longer blink, and it's not red, and it's not recording. And now that quick clip will go ahead and sync over to my device here. So I can come over here and say transfer to Plod, Bluetooth transfer. So Bluetooth is the default mode of transfer. Once connected to the app, it will begin transferring files. So we've got, let's take a look at it. It is connected through Bluetooth. We got our 18-second recording right here at the very top. So you can see that this was a new recording because there's a red dot in the top right of it, and we can go ahead and play it. And it plays our audio. We can do a quick summary, but we have to hit this black generate button right here, and we can do key points for this, and it will generate a quick video or a quick outline for this audio recording. So your light here to record is right under the Plod logo. If I zoom in closely, you can see that. And we've got our bullet point right here, the Plod Note Pen recording. When tapped, it indicates the status light. It captures thoughts and can be stopped by pressing it again. So let me demo that for you one more time. You can go ahead and you can press on it once, it'll vibrate, and this red light comes on that you can see there. That means that this is recording. So when you're out and about and you want to capture a meeting note, it instantly starts recording. And then we can go back to our files here. When I press on this one more time, it'll vibrate. I hold it down, it vibrates twice, and it instantly transfers. You see it instantly pops open right there. It shows a red dot, and it lets us know that this is a new recording, and we can go ahead and tap on it and generate the summary and get more details from it. So it's not always recording. You have to manually activate it in order for it to record, and that way, you have better security of what it is recording and what it isn't recording, because you do manually need to press on it. So that's how this works. Of course, you can pop it right back into the wristband right here, and we can attempt to reconnect it. And then you can also learn what it's like to press down on the Plod pen while it is in the band. So this is a little difficult to attach on first impression. So I'm taking my time here as I connect the bracelet here. Okay, I got it. Oh, it popped out. I'll pop it back in. But it connects through magnets on the bottom, and then I'm just gonna pop this right back in. All right. Oh, I put it on backwards. Wow, that's crazy. So we're gonna have to redo that. So we can undo the magnet. It should go in this way. So you just place it in that way. And now let's try to reconnect this one more time. So we'll insert the peg. Hey, I'm getting the hang of it there. So the more you practice this, the better it'll be. And then you can magnetically attach it. All right. So now you just hold, it vibrates, it starts to record, the red light comes on, it starts to beep, and then you can press one more time to have it stop recording. And just like that, you've got your Plod Note Pen. So really cool piece of software that they've created with the Plod Note Pen. You can connect instantly through Bluetooth. And if you're not subscribed to our newsletter, go to appfind.ai to subscribe to our newsletter, where you can get the latest complete beginner guides every week in your inbox. You'll get tutorials straight from, including these videos that we make on future technology guides, and written tutorials on how to access these consumer electronic products and apps, and it's really neat. So go to appfind.ai to sign up today, and you can use the AppFind Complete Beginner's Guide strategies in your email inbox to get the latest technology, apps, software, and AI tools and products. This has been a complete beginner's guide of the Plod Note Pen. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button and let us know what your favorite video feature is of the Plod Note Pen in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to figure out when we release our next technology video. We love producing these for you and can't wait to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.